In this video, I will show you how to disable the user access to the theme file editor and the plugins file editor in WordPress dashboard. And for that, we're going to be adding a small change to the wp-config file in WordPress. So for that, simply log into your hosting account and then go to the file manager section. Then go to the root directory where your WordPress is installed. And then in there, you should see the file called wp-config.php. Before you make any changes, it's a good idea to have a backup copy of this file. I'm going to just simply copy and paste this file to my desktop. So once that's done, now we can make the changes. So let's open the file, and right in here, we want to add a small piece of code. We want to add this line. And I will also leave the link to this WordPress document in the video description. So before we do that, let's see where we can add it. Let's add it right here. So in your wp-config file, you should see this line. That's all, stop editing, head publishing. Let's add an extra space above. Actually, let's do 3 spaces. And let's add a comment. So let's add // disable plugin and theme file editor. Then let's add an extra space, and then let's copy this line of code and paste it underneath and make sure it's set to true. So disallow file edit, set to true. And now let's save the changes. And it might take a few minutes to reflect. So let me go back to my site. And let's also clear cache. And let's refresh the page. And as I can see, after I have refreshed the page, the theme editor is no longer available. So is the plugins editor. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.